Hi guys, welcome to this full review about these Maihear hearing aids. They come with 16 channels, fully configurable. You can change the settings here directly on the earbuds. I'm taking them out and you can see that they are very easy to add and to take out, and you don't have to be worried about the possible whistling sound which a lot of hearing aids have, because they have this very unique dome concept here on the ear tips. Yeah, when I took them out for the first time from the charging cradle, I heard this whistling sound and I was very scared that I would have this when I put them into my ears, but this has never happened. I've been putting them into my ears and taking them out about 20 times and I never had any whistling, even on the highest volume. So there's really nice protection and they have so many features, absolutely awesome. They come in a full set with charger, charging cable, different ear tips, and even is an app on top, and that app is absolutely fantastic. You can use that at the beginning to do the first setting, and they even include a very nice hearing test left and right, and then you can adjust the volume. It has even a built-in equalizer for the hearing aids, but it has also a built-in equalizer optimizer for the music. Yeah, this awesome device is not only working as hearing aids, they are also working for phone calls and to listen to music, and they work really good for music. I've been listening for a while and I've realized that they have even some really good audio quality with some deep bass sound. That's pretty amazing, and you can even listen and using the hearing aid function at the same time. So while you have them inside, you're listening to music, they still have the microphone active, and whenever somebody wants to talk to you, it will then add the sound of the voice to the music. So you have both at the same time, and that's also working for phone calls. And I can tell you, for phone calls it's also absolutely awesome because they have a built-in very good microphone. When I was testing them for the first time, the microphone was so good. Maihear hearing aids, microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Maihear hearing aids, microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. That I was thinking something is not working. It would record from my smartphone, but it actually did not. It was really recording from this hearing aid. So absolutely perfect. But we do not have to use the app. We can pretty much also control everything from the earbuds, because they have 2 buttons each. They have these large multifunction buttons to take a call, to end a call, even invoke the voice assistant like Siri, start music, stop music, and then you have an additional button on the side which helps you to control the hearing aid function. With short pressing you can change the volume, and with long pressing you can change or switch the function, like from TV to restaurant, outdoor, whatsoever. The volume change doesn't work for music but for everything else. And what I really think is an awesome design here is that the buttons which you are using to change the program or change the volume is on the side. So you're not pushing like against your ears and causing some pain. You are pushing actually from the back. And so it has so many features which I've never seen from such hearing aids. So I'm going to show you everything what you get in the box, how to set them up, how to connect them to the app, and how to use them. And so let's open the box, see what we get. Yeah, here already really nice information about the app and how to use it, and a detailed user manual with a lot of information, and then even a full app user guide. You can see how much information you can get here. And so here's the device itself, and here the accessory box comes with a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, modern one. This is what we love in 2023. Then we get cleaning brush, additional ear tips, and we get even a full-size USB power supply. And so we give it a full charge. That's very important, especially at the beginning. Make sure that you see all the 3 white LEDs on. And then we are scanning the QR code in the app instructions manual. And so we get the choice of downloading the iOS version, Android version, and we have even a couple of options to download the Android version, but I'm using the official soundware from the App Store. So we are clicking on download and install. And before you open the app, make sure that you have turned on Bluetooth. So I click on open. Of course, we have to give authorization. And so when they are fully charged, we can take them out of the charging cradle, and so they go automatically into pairing mode. If you're not sure, you can put them directly into your ears and it will give you some instructions. It will tell you when they are ready to pair. And so we go to Bluetooth, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and down here we should find the Poco MU803. So we click on pairing. We give authorization, click on pair, and then we go back to the app and we see it's already connected. Absolutely awesome, super easy. If they are not pairing or saying no device is found, put them back into the charging cradle and take them out again so they are freshly put into the connectivity state, and we click on search again. If they are not connecting, we have to push all these 4 buttons at the same time. So we hold them like this and long press. Make sure that you really press all these 4 buttons for about 5 or 10 seconds. And then we release these buttons and search again. And now it's time to wear them and configure them here a little bit more in the app. So just hold them like that and put them into your ears. And so you can use, for example, the fitting. And so when you have them inside, turn them a little bit around, make sure that you have absolute proper fit, and then we can click on continue. And so we can do a couple of tests, for example, with beeping. And so this is also a very good hearing test, I can tell you. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but it's definitely worth to take it. Unfortunately, it already closed everything, so I can't show you that, but it was really nice. So let's continue here. And some more tests here. Yeah, so the configuration is now already much better than everything what I've seen from similar hearing aids till now. And so down here we have the different profiles, but we can switch them also on the hearing aids. So we have general mode, we have restaurant mode, we have TV mode, we have an outdoor mode, and we can even adjust the volume left and right in a different way. Here I have the same thing because I think I'm hearing left, right, same. And we can go even into more settings and adjust the detail level how you need that. That's absolutely awesome. And when I switch here, I can definitely instantly feel and hear the difference. That's pretty amazing. So if you think something is too much or too high, then you can instantly adjust it exactly on your needs. So what I have adjusted here for me personally is this mid-range here, which is usually too much. So usually with hearing aids, I have too much boost here, like for this clicking sound when some people are opening, closing doors. So that's usually way too much. And so I've been able to reduce it, almost remove these things, but still helps me extremely for the voices. So even more, you can see how detailed you can adjust that. That's absolutely amazing. And we do not only have the band adjustment, we have even a feedback suppression and in-ear detection. And if you think anything has changed, you can do the hearing test again. And so I've been wearing them for quite a while, and they have been the most comfortable, most useful hearing aids I've ever had. Absolutely awesome. I've tested many of them before and they gave me some very uncomfortable feeling. They were boosting the wrong frequencies or had some huge issues. But with these ones, I felt absolutely comfortable, very natural. And what I've also realized is that they have a very good Bluetooth connectivity, much more than any earbuds I've ever seen. Usually we get just about 10 meters, which is around 30 feet. And with these ones, I could go much further. I left my phone in the office and I was walking through the living room, went to the kitchen, and they never broke up for listening music. So for me, definitely the best hearing aids which I have personally ever tested, and I've been testing a lot of them. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.